We will first start with the filtration of clay. The clay that you will get mostly in market will be wet. So I would suggest buy 2 to 3 kg or even 5 kg and do the filtration at one go. And you can keep the clay after filtered for more than 1 year. So when you get the wet clay, you break it into small lumps and like this, and let it dry in the sun completely dry. This will take about 2 days. On drying, the clay will look like this. So this is completely dry clay. So I will just give you a small demo on how you can do the filtration. These dried pieces, take about half a bucket of water and drop these pieces into the water. In no time you will see that the clay will start to melt. If when you're doing say 2 to 3 kg, it will take about half an hour. Here it will happen in just about 5 minutes. You will need help for the filtration process. You may have to ask somebody to help you hold another bucket. Take another clean bucket and take a thin dupatta and ask the other person to hold it for you around the mouth, and then give it a stir. The clay that would have melted, give it a stir and pass it through this thin dupatta. If required, you may pour some more water to dissolve more clay. When you feel that all the clay has passed through this, you will be left with some sandy particles. Remove the cloth and let this water in the bucket settle for about 2 to 3 hours. When it settles, what happens after 2 to 3 hours, you will notice that all the clay particles has settled at the bottom, and on the top you will have clear water. This clear water is now to be removed. So you take with the help of a mug, remove as much water as possible and then let it rest again for 2 to 3 hours and remove more water until you get a very thin layer of water which is not removable any further. You will get the remaining clay will be of the consistency of a dosa batter or ketchup. You then take those clay and put it on flat dishes and let it dry in the sun. It may take anywhere from 3 days to 10 days time to dry. When you get the clay consistency, when it is dry enough, just like a soft atta dough, you can collect all the clay and put it in a clean plastic bag and keep it sealed. This clay will stay good for more than 1 year. Use whenever required, but always remember to seal the plastic bag after you have taken out the clay.